There's 20 bolts that we gotta take out. 10 minutes. Shut the fuck up. 10 minute bolts.
You shut the fuck up, bro. I can smell your breath all over here, bro. It smells like burnt cheese sticks.
I'm gonna call the cops on you.
I'm gonna call the cops on you, bro. Mr. Muscle Tweet. Officer, I don't think you're supposed to be rattling like that. Like there's a team cobra rattling trying to attack me.
There's a car right here.
That wasn't me, bro. That was a rat outside.
I said somebody's stealing it. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention you have to pop these two. I fucked up my finger doing that. And there's 3. You just disconnect every single one.
Feels like a cat, bro.
You hear me, Rigger? Dude. You're stupid. Bruh, what the fuck?
Where'd it go?
Bruh.
Oh, man. I didn't hear it hit the ground, too, so stop.
Oh, hell no,
I
bro.
don't even know what the fuck was it.
Oh, I found it.
What is it?
It's a ball, bro. What else? Shut the fuck up. I'm scared right now.
Yeah, you
was it?
did blow your
Right there, bro. You're welcome.
How'd you not really?
Bro, Ricky legit.
What was that?
Oh.
It must have been the wind.
Bro, every spy game, bro, when they hear something, must have been the wind.
Anybody there? Must be my imagination.
And then they hear it again, literally 2 seconds later. It's just my imagination.
You can really fart next to the guard, like, what's your imagination? You can smell, bro. I sound like a fucking. It sounds like a car from GTA San Andreas. Yeah, you get what I'm saying, right? It sounds like one of the hot rod racing ones. I swear I heard that sound before. They're freaking fast. I forget what it's called. The Saber hot rod? They're fast though. There really is 20 screws all the way around? That's crazy. How many screws is on each end?
Oh no, there's 4, 4, 3 and 3, and then these 4. Oh, I think that's 19, right?
It's a lot of math, bro.
I'm not really good at math. That was my last subject I failed in.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
4, 4, that's 8.
14. 18, motherfucker.
That's 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, that's 19.
Ricky, would you like a Hot Wheel of a Camaro SS?
We already got him a ZL1 one, bro.
Well, what about RC car of a ZL1, the blue one?
You think this motherfucker one is RC?
What do you do? Don't drop it, Ricky. Where's this? Joe, who's boss, Ricky? Get it.
Oh yeah, they're still there. I didn't take them off for it.
Get it, Ricky. Yeah. Take it off.
Take them over? I'll take them over. Before this? That one? Oh, yeah. Oh, this is shit. Be careful, I'm gonna shift it that way.
Why, is it hot in here? Whoa, that's a Supercharger? It's like a baby. How you doing, little guy? Is that the valve? Blew up the Supercharger, bro.
I mean, I have low mount, so.
The guy blew up the supercharger,
Alright,
returned
we're
it.
gonna compare the two lids. Right here.
This one's a lot more. Look at, turn it around.
Hey, bro, is that a Z4 over
Turn
there?
it around.
Take off the bolts.
Hey, is that a Z4 over there, bro?
Huh?
That's just small.
That's what I'm saying. Maybe more compressed makes more money.
Design right here. Here's the biggest defects. The design right here.
Well, this
Is straight.
more compressed makes you louder.
Explosive. All right.
It's like whistling low key, right?
The next step you have to use these gaskets from the original OEM lid, and these O-rings for them, and then this gasket, and then they come with. I'll show you right now. You pause it. So you also have to take off these black, I don't know what they're called. These black rivets. And then these are meant to make sure these bolts, so they could go in perfect, like centered. And then every single one has one, so even the middle one. So right now I have to double check, either take all of these out, and then make sure all of my bolts have these. And then obviously the gaskets are next, and then we just re-bolt this on top of the lid, and we'll be done.
Alright guys, so we came to some technical difficulties.
Gonna cut that beach.
What the fuck are we supposed to do, Ricky? Is it the same size?
Oh.
What?
Did it fit?
No.
What's wrong with it?
Too big, bro.
Did it wrong.
What the fuck? Did you have the wrong size? Did you just angle it weird? I don't know how
You think you stretched it, bro?
Oh yeah, there was.
Stupid. Now we gotta
Let's
restart.
get the chance.
Ricky, explain to the viewers.
Oh, we gotta finish right.
It's your video, bro.
Alright, Brett, don't buy this shit. So the gasket from the OEM to this one is like, obviously, I don't know if I stretched it or not. It was too long, like right here. So you basically have to, when you're installing it, push it in so it could be more compressed. It'll make it shorter, and eventually, still too long, huh?
Mind explaining it again?
Alright, so our last part that we just need to do is take off the original OEM seals. There's 4. Put them right here. In this case, they're greens. And then take off the long part. So we were having trouble putting this in. I was just gonna cut it, but Adrian decided to just compress it when you're putting it in. Like how you compress it is make sure you pull on it and then have the pressure point and keep on pulling it all the way through.
You mean pushing?
Push it, whatever.
Just make sure when you're putting it together to go squeeze it a little. Because if you go like this, it's gonna have like a lot of.
No. Alright, that's it. We're gonna put it back.
Just mess around with it a little bit and you'll figure it out. Basically simple as that, right?
Did we compare that already?
For what?
The 2 Supercharger lids?
My allergies.
Yeah.
You already done, Ricky?
Yeah. Basically just bolts.
Doesn't the whine sound
That's
louder
what
when
it's
you're
called.
actually driving too?
Bolt on.
Ricky, does it sound louder when you're actually driving? Because I don't hear it as much when you're just sitting.
What do you mean, bro? I showed you the fucking video, bro.
When you're standing still revving.
Oh.
When you're driving, you hear.
Yeah, I showed you the video. I showed Adrian the video, bro. The one where he did over there by Starbucks.
No. No. Not funny. It's like, oh wow. My life sucks. Don't screw that hole. You know what blue that looks like? It looks like the blue on the Honda Civic. Funny.
It's just like Angel, bro.
You laugh, bro. You're gonna get it next, bro. I'm gonna call cops on you. Where's the Amazon? You got the blue Camaro. You always park in the front.
No, bro. Just call their security, bro. Be like, something peel out again, bro. Get fired. Get fired. Oh, it's over here. I was gonna tell you which ones are next.
1, 2, there's 3.
You have to do a certain way?
Yeah.
Positive.
Why?
The top one, bro. The back one. Look.
There's 3.
Oh no, it's pointing at the top middle, the top corner.
And then, why is that one 4 then? That one's 4.
3.
Yes, it's saying the top one, bro. The top.
Why does it have to be in a certain order? Can you take it off in any order?
I did.
Check engine light. Don't worry, your car alarm's gonna go off again soon.
She told me she took it off.
What?
She told me she took it off.
What?
My neighbor
Took off what?
took off her. So there's 2 types of alarms hooked up to that vehicle, like the sensitive one, and then there's one that you pull the lever.
That's actually gonna take out alarm because of you, bro.
She took it off because of this motherfucker, bro.
Get a silencer for your muffler.
Hey, try to screenshot that, bro, and send it to me so I can be like, make sure you put the bolts on in these orders.
Just get a silencer, Ricky. This window tip may add 4 horsepower.
Look good.
That's how angry we looking at everybody, bro. You didn't have to restart the computer?
Rev it. Fuck, I said rev it.
Fuck you, grab it.
Rev it.
I can hear the air. Well, he said this thing is black. Oh, it did. It's when you floor it, you can hear the air.
Go.
Yeah, okay. No.
You gotta take it out. You gotta take it out. Does it sound louder when you're actually driving? Does it sound loud? Wow.
Mission accomplished, guys.
Dude, I looked at Ricky's face and said,
Yuki. Alright, close the hood.